MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides fast and dependable emergency furnace repair in Pottstown, PA, helping restore heat when your system fails unexpectedly. A malfunctioning furnace during cold weather can put your comfort and safety at risk, which is why our experienced technicians respond quickly to diagnose and repair the problem. We service all major furnace brands and address issues such as ignition failures, airflow problems, thermostat malfunctions, and system breakdowns. Our goal is to restore reliable heating as efficiently as possible. Trust MAC HVAC Service and Repair for professional emergency furnace repair in Pottstown, PA, and dependable service when you need it most. Contact MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for an emergency furnace repair near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair, who provides emergency furnace repair in Pottstown, PA. MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides fast and reliable emergency furnace repair in Pottstown, PA for homeowners and businesses facing unexpected heating system failures. What qualifies as an emergency furnace repair? An emergency furnace repair in Pottstown, PA typically involves situations where your heating system stops working during cold weather or presents a safety concern. What is your emergency furnace repair in Pottstown, PA? Our emergency furnace repair has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pewtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagleysville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parker Ford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://peachmashfats.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown PA/.